XRP realistic expectations and trading strategy.
What the hell? Let's go take a look at XRP. So here is XRP, and so it's also pulled back down. Yeah, I mean it's in this buy block here, so right around $3.15 would be probably a good buy on that, because you know this little fake out above all-time high. That's kind of unusual though. Usually you get price discovery and not ideal signals. Things are just a bit overbought though, you know, and we have to keep that in mind. So what I suggest doing here is looking at the RSI, because when it gets in these red zones and really is overbought, it's generally time to start rolling over at some point soon. So, you know, does it mean we can't go higher? Certainly we could. We don't have bearish divergence, but because we have all that sort of overbought, the red zone here, that's kind of signaling that this thing probably isn't going to go too much higher for long. If it pushes up to the first Fibonacci at $4.30, I'd probably be taking profits on that. Although there's no sellers lined up on the daily or the weekly. Now that weekly chart looks pretty good. And you know, look, I probably everyone should own some XRP, but this whole narrative that they're going to use it for something and it's going to go to $20,000 a coin, it's just nonsense. The market cap for that would be bigger than Bitcoin, and that's just not going to happen. Could it go to, you know, $10 or something? Yeah, I mean, I think that's possible, but I wouldn't believe these sort of whatever the opposite of conspiracy theory is. You know, conspiracy, I don't know, but the part of the XRP army is completely delusional, and thinks that there's going to be some massive overnight change, and the government's going to change it to the rails of everything. I don't know, maybe have $1,000 of it or 1,000 coins of it just in case, I guess, but who knows. Hey, this is Brett from Moonstream. If you'd like to learn more about our pro trading signals or our live classes every Wednesday or our Retire Rich program, go over to moonstream.io/start.